Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all for class 7, subject mathematics. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is fractions and decimals. Okay, in your earlier classes you have already learned what is a fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, then equivalent fraction, the addition and subtraction of the fraction, and then what you learnt was equivalent fraction, right? Mixed fraction. Now in this chapter what is new means you are going to learn multiplication and division of the fractions and decimal. Before going to multiplication and division, let us revise what is a fraction. What is a fraction? A part of a whole means a part of a whole is a fraction. A fraction contains two numbers, that is numerator and a denominator, right? A fraction contains two numbers. The upper number is known as a numerator and the down number is known as a what? Denominator. If it is only a single number, we'll say fraction. No, this is not a fraction, this is a whole number. When it comes this format, it is known as a fraction. Okay, then what is a proper fraction? Proper fraction means what it is? A fraction that represents a part of a whole. A part of a whole where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. A numerator is smaller than a denominator. That is known as a proper fraction. What is improper? Improper is exactly opposite to that. You can see here, numerator is greater than the denominator, right? These are the improper fractions. Improper fraction is a combination of whole and a proper fraction. Okay, so the next, what is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction has a whole number with a proper fraction. As you can see here, right? These are mixed fraction where there is a whole number with a proper fraction. This can be converted into improper, and from improper we can convert into mixed fraction, right? That also you have learned. Conversion of mixed to improper and improper to mixed. How are we going to do? So with the whole number you are going to multiply the denominator. Where whatever the whole number is there, with the denominator you are going to multiply. For example here, 8 2s is 16 plus numerator, that is plus 1. That will become 17 by 2. This is the answer for this one. This is a mixed fraction. When we change, it becomes improper fraction. Okay. Now how to change the improper to the mix? Means you will divide. You can see here. What I have done here is I have changed the improper to a mixed fraction. Divide the denominator with the numerator. 10 2s are 20. So 2 comes as a whole number. That what remains? 6 remains there. So 6 by 10. 6 will become the remainder, will become the numerator, and the divisor will become the denominator. This is how it changes into mixed fraction. Is it okay? Then next is equivalent fraction. Okay, coming to equivalent fraction. What can you see here? I can say this is pizzas. Okay, I will say this is pizza. You have to share with your friend. Okay, now here if I take a pizza, in this only 2 pieces. So I am taking half and my friend is eating half. Now the same pizza they have sent with the 4 pieces. Okay, now in this I am eating 2 pieces and my friend is eating 2. Now in the other pizza they were 8 pieces, so I ate 4 and my friend ate 4. Do you think we ate the same pizza, same part? Yes or no? So here what is the fraction of this? Fraction of this is 1 by 2, right? What is the fraction of this? 2 by 4. And what about this? This is 4 by 8. That is the shaded part and the whole part, right? 4 parts are shaded out of 8. That's what we will write. That is 4 by 8. This you can see the numbers are different. Right? The numbers 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8. Are they same? No. The numbers are different, but what happens? We are eating, how much pizza I am eating? Half pizza only I am eating, all the 3 places, right? The value is same. This type of fractions, we will say it as what? Equivalent fraction. See here, what turns now? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again it came to 1 by 2. Similarly, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. What value came here? What value came here? Half, half and half. The numbers are different, but the value is same. This type of fractions are known as equivalent fraction. Understood? Yes. Now, how to get this equivalent fraction means just multiply the numerator and the denominator with the next multiples. You will get the equivalent fractions. How many you want? You can do. A number that is infinite equivalent fractions we can get. Now, coming to the next, that is the addition of what? New fractions. Addition of fractions. Now here, from your exercise, I have taken few problems here. You can see on the board. So it is a whole number plus a fraction. How to do the addition? Means there is no denominator. Once there is no denominator, we should assume it as 1. Okay? We should assume it as 1. Then how to do the addition? Can I do directly here? 4 plus 7 and 8 plus 1? No, that is wrong. Okay? We cannot add both the numerator and both the denominator. It is wrong. What we have to do is, first we should make the denominator same, then we have to add the numerator. That is what you had learned, right? First what we should do? We should make the denominators same. Once the denominators are same, that is the like fractions. Like fractions only can be added and subtracted. So how can we make like fractions? Means the denominator should be same. These two are like fraction, these are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions has to be changed into like fractions. For that, what we will do, we will take the LCM of these two numbers, 8 and 1. So 1 is a multiple of 8 there. 1 8s are 8. Therefore, I will not do the LCM part because already we know that, right? Easy numbers we will not go. So I'll multiply this number with 8 and the other side with the 1. That is cross you can take. This denominator with the other numerator and from here to this. What happens now? 4 8s are 32, 1 8s are 8. 7 1s are 7 and 8 1s are 8. Now you can see both the denominators are same. They change into like fractions. So once the denominator is same, we will write as it is. We will not add up the denominators. We will just add the numerators. Okay? We should make the denominators same and add the numerators. That is 32 plus 7 will become 39 and the denominator as it is, that is 8. Now this is in a what? Improper fraction. Whenever we are giving the answer, it should be in the small unit and a proper fraction or a mixed fraction. Okay? It should not be an improper fraction. So divide this number. 8 how many times? 39. 39 will not go. So 8 4s are 32. 8 4 times 32. How much remains? 7. So 7 and what is the divisor? It is 8. That is 4 7 by 8. Okay, coming to the next. As you can see, the next I have taken 3 fraction and for addition there. Even here, you can see the denominators are different. What is the first step? Take the LCM, make the denominators same, then do the addition of only numerators, right? That is the method. So first, let me take all the denominators in the working column, right? That is 10, 5 and 2. So from which number we will start? From the smaller number for the LCM. 2, 5 is 10. Then 5 will not go as it is. Then 2 1s are 2. Then 5. Why I have taken 5? We should see and do the LCM that you have learned in your earlier classes. So 5 1s are 5. All became 1 here. Till we get 1 here, we should do this. Now multiply this. 2 5s are 10. What we got what we got LCM? 10. So all these denominators we should change it into 10. So what number should I multiply to get 10? Already it is 10. So which number? 1 times, right? 10 ones are 10. Now here it is 5. So 5 how many times 10? 2 times. Then what is here? 2. 2 how many times 10? 2 5s are 10. Just multiply this with the number. 7 ones are 7 and 7 by 10. For both you should multiply. Only for numerator no. With the denominator. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. Now you keep the denominator as it is. Once we change into the like fractions, we should not add the denominator. It should be as it is. Then only add the numerator. Once we add this, we are getting 26. And this is an improper fraction. Change it into mixed fraction. 10 2s are 20, 6 by 10. And this also we should give it in the smaller form, that is 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Once it is divisible, we will divide. If it is not divisible, then we will keep it as it is. Now here 2 3 by 5 is the answer. Okay, this is the addition. Coming to the next is the subtraction. In subtraction, I have taken what? Mixed fractions. First we will change the mixed fractions to the improper, then make the denominator same, and even in the subtraction we are going to subtract only the numerator, not the denominator. In addition and subtraction both are same except the last step. In the last step here we are doing the addition, here we will do the subtraction of the numerator. So let us see here what happens. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, that is 17 by 2. 3 8s are 24 plus 5, that is 29 by 8. Here we have two different denominators. Go to the LCM. What the LCM we got here? That is 8. Change the denominators to 8. That is 2 4s are 8. Here already 8. No need to do anything. Just multiply by 1. So what happens? 17 into 4 is 68 by 8. Then 29 into 1 is the same number. 29 by 8. Keep the denominator as it is. Subtract the numerator. 68 minus 29 will change into 39 by 8. Now what we have to do? We should give it in a mixed fraction because it is a improper. Divide this number. 8 4s are 32. 7 by 8. Right. Then next we will go to the what? Word problems. From your textbook I have selected one question, that is question number 7, exercise 2.1. Here it says Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the largest share? By how much? There are 3 questions in this. Now, who is eating? Ritu is eating an apple. An apple means that is one apple. Right? With one apple, 3 by 5 she has eaten. So, first statement, for the word problems, we should start with the statements. Now, the part of an apple eaten by Ritu is equals to 3 by 5. How much Somu eat? So the part of an apple eaten by Somu, it was 1. 1 minus what Ritu ate, that is 3 by 5. 1 minus 3 by 5. So 1 we cannot write there, 1 minus. So it is, take it in a fraction. Okay, whole number we should take it in a fraction, then do the subtraction, that is 1 by 1. Here 5 into 1 is 5 only will be the LCM. Right. So do directly there. This is 5 and here 1. So 5 minus 3 will be 2 by 5. How much Somu ate? Somu ate 2 by 5. How much Ritu ate? 3 by 5. Who ate more? Ritu ate more. Okay. Ritu ate more. That is 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. So how much more she ate? How much more means larger share will be more by 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5. That is 1 by 5. How much more it is? 1 by 5 is the more. Now thus Ritu's part is 1 by 5 more than Somu's part. Understood? Yes? Is it clear? Okay, complete exercise 2.1 in your classwork. Thank you.